10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number power. On today's show, we will learn all about the number 1. The number 1 is the first number, 1. Now you say it. 1. Good. The number 1 comes before all of the other numbers. Repeat after me. 1. Say it again. 1. Once again. 1. Very well done. Thank you. The number 1 means a single thing. 1 table. 1 hat. 1 house. 1 mountain. 1 o'clock. This person is wearing the number 1 on his uniform. When there is only one person performing, we call this a solo. This woman is singing a solo. She is the only one who is singing. A person who performs a solo is called a soloist. Also, a solo is music prepared for a single performer. Have you ever sung a solo? This person is climbing a mountain alone. He is the only climber. He is the only one who is climbing. There is only one climber. We use the number 1 when someone wins a race or other competition. This person is the first to reach the finish line. He is the winner. He is number 1. The person who is number 1 is the person who comes in first place. This is a unicycle. A unicycle has 1 wheel and 1 seat. Have you ever ridden a unicycle? I've never ridden a unicycle. It looks difficult. The first part of the word unicycle, uni, means 1. A unicycle is a cycle with just 1 wheel. A unicorn has 1 horn. Have you ever seen a unicorn? When there is only one of something, we refer to it as unique. For example, there is only 1 red apple in the stack. It is unique. There is only 1 pink car in the city. That car is unique. He is the tallest person in his family. He is unique. No one is taller than he. Sometimes when there is only one of something, we refer to it as a single. This is a single slice of bread. This is a single cup. This is a single automobile. This is a single hamburger. Notice there is only 1 piece of meat in this hamburger. That is why we call it a single or a single hamburger. Do you prefer hamburgers or cheeseburgers? The number 1, when added to another number, increases that number by 1. It is very simple. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. What comes next? That's right. 4 plus 1 is 5. The number 1, when subtracted from a number, reduces that number by 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. What comes next? Correct. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now let's look at some other things that are just one. One mother, one father, one sister, one brother, one hospital, one school, one airplane, one computer, one desk, one door. How many pencils do you see? That's right, there is one pencil. How many sandwiches can you eat? I can eat just one sandwich. I eat one sandwich for lunch. Now, repeat after me. One dog. One window. One fish. One banana. One zebra. One teacher. Very well done. I think you've got it. Thanks for joining us today. It was fun to learn about the number 1. Goodbye. See you next time on Number Power.
Are you looking for a way to change your life? The answer may be as easy as watching TV. Introducing Hello Channel, an exciting new channel that's designed to teach you to speak English. New opportunities will be available to you when you learn the language of the internet, commerce, travel, and diplomacy. No need to pay for your expensive schools or tutors. You can learn English by watching Hello Channel. Invest in yourself. For a brighter future, say hello.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number Power. On today's show, we will learn all about the number 2. The number 2 is the second number. 1, 2. Say it with me. 2. Good. The number 2 comes after the number 1. Repeat after me. 2. Say it again. 2. Let's try it again. 2. Very well done. Thank you. The number 2 reflects a pair or a couple of things. 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 knees, 2 elbows, 2 tigers, 2 babies. This person is wearing the number 2 on his uniform. When there are 2 people performing, we call this a duet. These 2 musicians are a duet. We say that they are a duet because there are 2 performers. Also, a duet is music prepared in 2 parts. These 2 women are playing tennis. Tennis is a sport that requires 2 players or 2 participants. These 2 men are sawing a log. 2 people on a motorcycle. 2 friends walking together in the park. 2 girls having lunch together. We use the number 2 when someone places second in a race or other competition. This person is the second to reach the finish line. He is in second place. He is number 2. The person who comes in first place is number 1. This is a bicycle. A bicycle has 2 wheels. Do you know how to ride a bicycle? I do. I love to ride a bicycle. The first part of the word bicycle, bi, means 2. A bicycle is a cycle with 2 wheels. Some bicycles have 2 wheels and 2 seats. This is called a tandem. Does that look like fun? I would like to try to ride a tandem with a friend. Words that begin with by often refer to things that have 2 of something. For example, binoculars have 2 lenses. When there are 2 things together, we refer to them as a double. This cone has 2 scoops of ice cream. It is a double. This bus has 2 levels or decks. It is a double-decker bus. This is a double hamburger. Notice there are 2 pieces of meat in this hamburger. That is why we call it a double, or a double hamburger. Does this make you hungry? The number 2, when added to another number, increases that number by 2. It is very simple. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. What comes next? That's right. 4 plus 2 is 6. Terrific! The number 2, when subtracted from a number, reduces that number by 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. What comes next? That's right. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now here are some things that come in pairs. 2 parents, 2 grandparents, 2 hands, 2 thumbs, 2 eyebrows, and 2 heels. Here are some more. 2 chairs, 2 hot dogs, 2 shoes, 2 boots, 2 socks, 2 smiles, 2 fish, and 2 guitars. Do you know how to play the guitar? How many pairs do you see? That's right, there are 2 pairs. How many apples can you eat? I can eat 2 apples. I like red apples. When something is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is called a half. 2 halves make a whole. Sometimes 2 babies are born together. We call them twins. Do you know any twins? I do. Twins can be both sisters, or both brothers, or a sister and a brother. Would you like to have a twin brother? How about a twin sister? Sometimes, when 2 things are together, we call them a couple. These 2 friends are a couple. There are 2. Here are a couple of chickens and a couple of cats. Do you have any pets? Would you like to have a couple of birds? How about a couple of rabbits? To review, 2 dogs, a couple of dogs, a pair of dogs. All of these mean the same thing, 2 dogs. Repeat after me. 2 elephants, 2 homes, 2 toys, 2 pieces of candy, 2 pies, 2 o'clock. That's great. I think you've got it. Now, let's count together. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Good. Let's do it again. 1, 2. Well done. You are doing so well. Thanks for joining us today. It was fun to learn about the number 2. Goodbye. See you next time on Number Power.
Learning a new language can be difficult and discouraging, but it doesn't have to be. Hello, I'm Karen, introducing Hello Channel, the revolutionary new channel designed especially to teach English. If you can speak English, the future is open for you, since speaking English means greater opportunity and higher paying jobs. By watching Hello Channel, you are immersed in this valuable language. You'll hear the words being spoken. You'll see the speakers' mouths when they say the words. You'll read what's being spoken in large, clear subtitles. And you'll speak out loud, practicing what you have just learned. There is no better or faster way to learn a language than total immersion. Hello Channel does exactly that. There's programming on every level so you can watch the shows that are just perfect for you. Whether you've spoken a little English, a great deal of English, or none at all, the Hello Channel has something for everyone. Join us for a convenient, affordable, and fun way to shape your future. There's so much in store for you if you'll just say hello.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number power. On today's show, we will learn all about the number 3. The number 3 is the third number. 1, 2, 3. The number 3 comes after the number 2. Repeat after me. 3. Say it again. 3. Let's try it again. 3. Very well done. Thank you. The number 3. 3 trees. 3 oranges. 3 cars. 3 o'clock. He is wearing the number 3. When there are 3 people performing, we call this a trio. These 3 musicians are a trio. We say that they are a trio because there are 3 performers. Also, a trio is music prepared in 3 parts. We use the number 3 when someone places third in a race or other competition. This person is the third to reach the finish line. He is in third place. He is number 3. The person who is number 1 is the person who comes in first place. The person who is number 2 is the person who comes in second place. This is a tricycle. A tricycle has 3 wheels. Have you ever ridden a tricycle? I rode a tricycle when I was a little girl. I rode a red tricycle. The first part of the word tricycle, tri, means 3. A tripod has 3 legs to support a camera. 1, 2, 3. When there are 3 things together, we refer to them as a triple. This cone has 3 scoops of ice cream. It is a triple. This is a triple hamburger. Notice there are 3 pieces of meat in this hamburger. That is why we call it a triple or a triple hamburger. That is a big hamburger. The number 3, when added to another number, increases that number by 3. It is very simple. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. What comes next? That's correct. 4 plus 3 is 7. The number 3, when subtracted from a number, reduces that number by 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. What comes next? Yes, 7 minus 3 is 4. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, or angles. A father, a mother, and a baby. This is a family of 3. This stool has 3 legs, 3 books, 3 cars, 3 workers. How many doors do you see? That's right, there are 3 doors. How many cookies can you eat? I can eat 3 cookies. Sometimes 3 babies are born together. We call them triplets. Do you know any triplets? Triplets can be all brothers, or all sisters, or brothers and sisters. When something is divided into 3 equal parts, each part is a third. 3 thirds make a whole. Repeat after me. 3 chimneys. 3 flowers. 3 buildings. 3 pieces of bread. 3 glasses. 3 plates. 3 monkeys. 3 dolphins. 3 lions. Very well done. I think you've got it. Now, let's count together. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. You are doing very well. Thanks for joining us today. It was fun to learn about the number 3. Goodbye. See you next time on Number Power.